Okay, y'all, so here is my daughter's porch. Y'all know that we got these pillows, chair, everything that you see we got from Target, guys, with the 70% off. This little lantern here was $3. She need to get her a candle. I think the table, I don't know, might have been $9. No, the table was $13 and the chairs were $9. And the pot was about $3. And that's an aloe plant, guys. My husband grows these aloe plants. And here is a beautiful wreath that I designed for her on my channel, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the wreath and the decor. She absolutely loved it. As most of you guys said, it came out really, really nice, I think. So I don't know how much in total we spent, but like I said, the chairs were $9, the table was $13, $3 and $3. We didn't spend much at all. The highest thing actually was these pillows, and they had some cheaper, but these were $10 a piece, but they really big, nice and fluffy. So yep, guys, there it is. There it is, there it is, there it is.